So I wanted to share with y'all a new part of my self-care that I've been jumping back into, which is reading. I used to read so much. I used to love it. So I'm really happy to be getting back into it. And I'm really excited to share with you guys this Black-owned publishing company, a King production. And the website is joydejaking.com. That is the author's name. And I just want to tell y'all a little bit more about Joy. She is a national best-selling author and publisher doing a thing with 20 novels under her belt. When I tell y'all these novels are lit, like I love real books like this. If you go and read on her website under her about section, you will see that she's been through some real stuff, and I feel like that really reflects these novels, just real raw life stuff, and it is just like you will be hooked. I am so sure y'all will love these books. I haven't even started my second book yet, and I'm already hooked. So yes, y'all go check the website out. Those links are down below, www.joydejaking.com. Please go check it out. You will not be disappointed. I have been hooked to these books. I was only on chapter 1, and I couldn't even put the book down. My eyes are just glued to these pages, like this real stuff. It grabs you in, make you laugh out loud, make you cry, all of that. So big shout out to Joy Deja King. Y'all make sure to check out the website. Go ahead and grab you a book or 2 or 3 or 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Hell, get all of them.
Hey, what's up?
Yes, Isaac.
What's poppin'?
Jumping.
What's jumping?
What's jumping?
I'm probably gonna get my hair trimmed. It really don't look too bad, but I just feel it like it's just staticky, and it's time to get these in. So I got my sister here. Y'all make sure to go subscribe to her YouTube. She about to be here. Just a little bit. Like, come here, can you be my assistant? Yeah. Okay. bad, but you can tell like this side was already this side. So yeah, definitely. How much you think you took off? Like an inch or something?
Oh yeah.
Shut up, teacher. So yeah, like an inch. Yeah, I feel like about an inch came off, and I'm so happy because, ooh, yeah, it feels so much better. So yes, honey, we started off fresh and healthy. Yes, sis did that. She did it. We'll turn around and show y'all the back. Alright, so that's it. That's all, folks. I love it. It feels so much better. Like, y'all just do not understand. Like, every time I ran my hands through my hair, it was just getting caught at the ends. Like, it was so staticky, so just, I had so many dead ends that needed to go. But now, as you can see, honey, she's back healthy. It's all heavy. Like, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. So, yeah, we're starting fresh with a new little length, even though a lot didn't really get cut off. Starting off fresh because I am going on a journey of like growing my hair out. I always like cut my hair. I feel like in my life I just stay cutting it, whether it be, you know, big chopping it, shaving it. Like I did everything to my hair but let it grow. So at this point in my life, I just wanted to grow, and that's what I'm gonna focus on, just getting it nice and healthy and long. Okay, I just want to see my potential with how long my hair can get. So this is the start of it. This is it. We're gonna be doing like length checks and stuff like that. So I feel like this is a good place to start. Everything is nice and healthy and even and trimmed. So yes, we're going on this journey together. Healthy, relaxed hair. Okay, we can do it. We can get into it. We can do it, y'all. I have plenty of clients with long, beautiful, relaxed hair, and I'm just trying to be one of them. So this is the start. I'm excited, and yeah, thank y'all for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. If you ain't subscribed, go ahead and join the family. So that's it. That's all. Thank y'all for watching. Catch y'all in the next video. Catch y'all in the next video.